Hey folks, we made it to the middle of the week and it just keeps getting warmer. 92 right now in McAllen, 95 in Rio Grande City. The eastern part of the valley in the 80s. Port Isabel's 83. The island's about 78 right now. 85 Brownsville, 88 Harlingen and Raymondville. Not going to cool off a lot tonight. Warm but humid, kind of July-like out there with temperatures bottoming out in the mid to upper 70s across the area. Breezy conditions continuing most of the night. And then tomorrow we bounce back up into the 90s again across the western half of the valley, close to 90 in the east, and then maybe about 82 at the island, working hard to get there. The normal high is 88. We're going 91, 89, 89 as we head into the weekend. But tomorrow, that 91 is an average. I think the western part of the valley may get close to triple digits tomorrow afternoon. Here's like a satellite, and it shows not much now. We actually had some blue skies for a time this afternoon. Some high clouds beginning to stream in from the west again. We're going to watch for showers to pop up over off the mountain. Some of the models indicate they're going to try this afternoon. That would send some high clouds our direction. But other than that, we're just partly to mostly cloudy overnight. And then during the daytime, it's a mix of clouds and sunshine once again. Tomorrow looks a lot like today. Not a whole lot of change. Windy and warm. It's as we make our way into Friday, things begin to change. This model says by 1 o'clock Friday afternoon, we've got a line of showers, even thunderstorms coming down from the north. Some of the models say could happen in the early morning hours on Friday. Either way, we've talked so many times the last month about our capped atmosphere, and the models say we stay capped. And watch what happens after Friday at 1 o'clock. Poof, they're gone. Maybe a spotty thunderstorm, but if this model's right, it all kind of goes around. But wait, it's not over. This is Saturday. We do it all over again, 3 o'clock in the morning. And I think this is probably our best chance for shower and thunderstorm development in the valley. And this says that by 3 o'clock in the morning, we're looking at some big storms in the area, but watch what happens. Poof, gone again as it runs into that cap. The atmosphere getting worked over, but down here the cap is strong. So yes, scattered showers possible. And you get into Saturday and there's still a chance for rain across the area. In fact, I think the rain chances go up and stay up through the weekend and into much of next week. I think tomorrow's mainly dry. If anything happens tomorrow, be tomorrow night. A late thunderstorm on Friday. There's a slight chance of something early in the day, but a better chance late, and then about a 40% chance of stuff around the area on Saturday, and we're keeping it at 30% on Sunday. So the weekend, I think both days there's a shot at least some rain in the area. It's gotten hot today, 100 in Laredo. But look at San Antonio, only 78. Big contrast across South Texas. Severe weather in the northern part of the state. That yellow is a severe thunderstorm watch. The green, flood watches. Of course, there's been a lot of warnings embedded within that. Still looking at fronts kind of hanging out over North Texas and Oklahoma for a couple of more days. Just not moving much. But eventually, storms form up around San Antonio. Could push down into here. There's another line trying to come down in. But notice the big severe stuff stays away from us. There's a marginal risk for severe weather in the valley. Really Friday night, primarily in the western part of the valley. It's just something we're going to have to watch as we get closer to it. Again, the odds favor areas to our north. At the coast, winds out of the southeast, 15 to 20 knots. Choppy on the bay. The UV is extreme. An advisory is in effect for small craft. A high risk of rip currents. 3 tides on the screen. First 1-5 AccuWeather the forecast for tonight, then 75. Cloudy skies come back in, breezy and, yes, hazy as well. And tomorrow the haze is with us, some afternoon sun, but still breezy, hazy, and humid. 91 for your high. Haze not going too far anytime soon. We're going to talk about that more in the next half hour, but it's a given in the forecast for the next few days until we get a northerly wind to push it out. So you look at this. We keep scattered showers and thunderstorms starting Friday. The chance probably peaks Friday night, Saturday, but stays with us all the way into the middle of next week. That's your updated First 1-5 AccuWeather forecast.